We have a Subzero fridge. It's a panel ready. As you can see, the way it looks. The door shouldn't be slamming like that. If it's closing, it's okay. It should close slowly. That's completely fine, like that. But if it's getting slammed so hard like this, imagine you're the customer and you're trying to get something from there. The door is open and the door is pushing you hard. If the installer is telling you that this is normal, this is not normal at all. To make sure you're happy with the answer you're getting, you have to get in contact with Subzero. They will tell you how hard it's supposed to close. It shouldn't be closing like that. If it's closing hard like this, that means that the whole unit needs to be aligned. You want to get in contact with your installer and ask them to bring it a little bit forward. When they do that, you're gonna have a little bit of issue. See the way the gap is here? This door is a little bit towards the back. This part of the panel is forward, so they can adjust the back leg on this fridge, and then that will take care of the problem. You may see a little bit of gap there, and that's completely normal. And if you look at the gap here and here, by bringing the fridge a little bit forward, it's gonna line it up with that panel, and it's gonna look beautiful. And the same thing here. They can always play around with the panel. From the top, there's screws. You have to open them, readjust the panel back and forth, and that takes care of the problem. Door closing like this is not acceptable. Thank you.